So wok hei is the sear, the point of searing the food, so you get that carbon flavor. So if you over sear it, it starts burning. If you under sear it, the oil is it doesn't actually coat the doesn't actually burn into the food. So this is what you're working on, the wok hei. I put it up almost at high heat, so I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I'm going to put a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. So as you see, when the garlic is small pieces, it will actually burn. You hear the sound? That's the good sound. When you put the food into the wok, you hear the sound. That's a good sign. So for this stir fry, we have a different variety of vegetables. We have the carrot. So we actually cut a little bit fancy. Just use a knife or use a fork even to score the carrot. So this is a simple way to make your stir fry a little more fancy. So you get a bit of a pattern on your carrots here. And then we also have broccoli. We have some green peppers. We have baby corn. Baby corn always gives it a nice touch. So when you go to a Chinese restaurant, they put baby corn. So usually people at home don't use baby corn that much, but when you do it for home cooking, people remember, right? Because I always remember going to Chinese restaurants in Chinatown and throughout the city when they use baby corn. It always makes the dish seem a little more fancy. So just hit it with a bit of soy sauce. So my favorite sauce is the oyster flavor sauce. So I usually put a little bit of that just before I serve the order. Tablespoon or 2. I'm going to keep a high rate to the whole stir fry, so it doesn't take long to cook. So the order is ready to come up. There you have it. Vegetable stir fry with lots of wok hei. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.